In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert videos in PowerPoint. Whether you want to enhance your presentation with clips from your computer or add content from YouTube, I'll walk you through it step by step. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start with the first method, inserting a video from your computer. This is pretty straightforward. First, you'll want to open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to add the video. Once you're there, look for the Insert tab at the top of the window. It's the place we go for adding any multimedia, including videos. Once you've clicked on the Insert tab, take a look for the Video option. You should see it listed among other options like Pictures, Shapes, and Charts. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Video from File. This allows you to choose a video that's saved directly on your computer. Now a window will pop up showing the files on your computer. Find the video file you want to insert, click on it to highlight it, and then hit the Insert button. And just like that, your video will appear on the slide. You can resize or move it around to fit your design. It's that simple. Okay, now let's move on to the second method, inserting a video from YouTube. This is a great option if you want to share popular content or tutorials from the platform. To do this, you'll again start by opening the desired slide in your PowerPoint presentation. From there, head over to the Insert tab. Once you're in the Insert tab, click on the Video option again. This time, however, you'll want to select Online Video. After you click that, you'll see a field where you can paste a link. This is where you'll need the URL of the YouTube video you want to insert. So open your web browser, go to YouTube, and find the video you want to include. Once you're on the Videos page, simply copy the URL from the address bar. Then, head back to PowerPoint and paste that link into the field you just opened. Once you've pasted your link, click on the Insert button. PowerPoint will take a moment to process the link, and once it does, the video should be added right onto your slide. Just like before, feel free to resize or position the video as you like. And there you have it. You now know how to insert videos in PowerPoint, whether they are saved on your computer or directly pulled from YouTube. It's a fantastic way to make your presentations more engaging and informative. Remember, the key steps are finding the Insert tab, choosing the right video insertion option, and making sure you have the correct video file or link. If you have any questions about this process or need further assistance with your PowerPoint presentations, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you